Hi, and welcome to another tutorial on how to generate test reports in PROFIS engineering. Test reports are important to help document and analyze results of your design. Let's show you how it's done in PROFIS engineering. Once in the modeling page, we will change the design method to AS5216 and AS3600. We will also change the connection type to end anchorage. There are a number of different applications that can be chosen, but for the sake of this presentation, we will select wall to slab. In the model, we will change the length of the existing substrate to 2000 mil, which is instantly reflected in the 3D view of the model. We will then add a 20 kilonewton shear force acting on the connection in the Y direction as shown on the screen. We will change the design method to AFAC Technical Note 8 Volume 2 that was recently released. On the right, we can see the results for the top and bottom rebar layers have changed. Once the model is finalized, we can click the Create Report option at the top right. Before the report is generated, you can input further details to the report, such as rebar application type and any notes you may have. Once finished, you can click the Save and Generate button. As you can see, the software is processing the information to generate the report. The report will be downloaded as a PDF, and you can click on the file for further information. The design report will have an input summary, information on geometry and loading, cross-section view, side section view, overview of results, including references to the relevant standards with further analysis on the design, verification of rebar design intention with reference to the relevant section of the use standard. PK, give me 1 second. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.